Hello guys, good evening. I'm out there for a run for almost after 3 to 4 months. It's been tough out there inside, but still, inculcating the habit of exercise in yourself over a period of time is fine. Initially you might tend to give up, but just try, keep going. I'm sorry for my look, it's a bit messed up. Even running outside after 3 to 4 months, still you get a grip soon. I mean, you won't be able to run with that intensity what you used to, but eventually you'll get there. But this time actually tells us the value of freedom, the value of nature, what you have with you right now, and what you can lose if you don't pay attention to. So that's great to feel. One thing I'd like to highlight about running is that actually it's not that tough to build up a stamina or so. You just need to go out and practice it for every day. Running has got a technique. Different types of terrains require different types of techniques. On smooth terrain, you could just drop out to something around a normal pace, but as and when the elevation gains, your knees are loaded more with amount of pressure. So all you need to make sure is you have a right set of shoes, a comfortable clothing, and a nice piece of ear set. That's true, that's more important in keeping you motivated. And yes, I'll catch you up later. I'll finish up my run. It's quite green. It's fun to run. In fact, it's good to run in greenery because it gives you ample amount of oxygen, especially during evening time. This road is less crowded, so it's quite good to run. The area is near Kalpataru, and it's a round circle for about 1.5 kilometers. Collectively, it's quite tiring. Sorry for my voice, but it's good. It feels like you are just close to the nature or so. You'll find it's actually 4:44 right now, but by the time evening sets in, you find more and more people. Especially you can find people in morning time here as well. Some of my friends also jog up here. So right now, continuing my run. Catch you all later. Bye. So we are here in the last phase of running. I'm in my last lap, closing 5 kilometers. It's been 40 minutes. Just trying to struggle. I usually complete that in 30 minutes, not 30 seconds, obviously. So one more tip I would like to give you is when you're running, you need to understand your pace. Example, when there's elevation, you need to pace up more. When there's deviation, or when there's a steep slope downwards, so you need to slow down. Don't need to apply more energy while descending. That's the appropriate word. Yes, I'm improving on my vocabulary. So yeah, descending down. So at that place, you need not apply more pressure. It indirectly results in your heart pumping out more oxygen to supply you the energy, which is ATP, adenosine triphosphate gas. That is the primary thing responsible for the energetic activity in your body. Secondly, I would like to clarify or spread the awareness is, as in when I was jogging on the track, I saw few people smoking out there sitting. Everyone has problems. See, we don't need to go personal into anybody, but still one suggestion is smoking is not the solution to any problem. If you find comfort in that, try to find out comfort in a more appropriate, good manner. It takes away your money, it takes away your health, it takes away your family time, family happiness. At what cost? There's no survival ability. So what you could do is you could take up a hobby of running, swimming or cycling, whatever you may feel like. All you need to do is just start. I would rather say just a click. Yes, I have my number mentioned below. I have my email ID, Facebook page, Instagram page. Come, do join, initiate a good initiative from your side. Make the difference to yourself and your family. Feel the difference. Say no to smoking. Alright, we sign up here. I'll have to complete my run, otherwise I'll break my own bad record. So take care, bye bye guys, see you next time.